Hello everybody. This session is about media tag in CSS. With media tag you can make a rule or make condition for your CSS. For example, saying you wanna change your styles for mobile displays. Okay, how we can do this? Let's think we have a division with a class, for example. Oh no, I don't want this name. The class. What class? Okay, Rita BG. Okay guys, I write a lorem with 10 characters. Okay, here I write my class Rita BG and add background color, for example, what's navy. Let's go see the result. Can you see? This is background color navy. Now I wanna add, or sorry, remove padding and margins like this. Okay, since we have a mobile display, for mobile display we have many scopes. Let's see you the scopes. Okay guys, those are the scopes 0 to 480 for smaller smartphones, or 481 to 768 tablets and larger smartphone, and another you can see them. Okay guys, let's make, for example, a responsive for the mobile 768. Okay, we should write at sun media and click that screen. Just write this and write and open this max width pixel 768 pixel. Okay, here we write Rita BG background color is equals to brown. Let's see the result. Okay, we can see this is blue or navy. I want to change this to the mobile. Can you see? This is, for example, brown. This is responsive. For iPad it's more than 700, it's 800, and again blue. But here this is one. You can make this, for example, media screen and main width equals to, for example, 520 and max width equals to 900. Let's see there. Oh, it's my mistake. Rita BG background color is yellow, for example. Let's see the result. Okay, and this is not main, this is not past our main because this is 390, but here we have a problem because we said if max width is equals to 768, make this brown. Here we have more main width with 520, and they have effect on our codes. Okay, let's change this to, for example, 519. Okay, now we can make this responsive. Can you see? Okay. Oh, goes to yellow, and after that 900 goes to navy. Okay, we can use main width and max width together, or we can use just main width or max width. Okay guys, this is a media tag. In the future we make examples with making template responsive and show you how to making templates. Have a good time. Please subscribe our channel and left a comment for me. Goodbye.